Backing up files is a global trend, and OneDrive is a popular choice for hassle-free cloud storage. After saving files, access them easily on any device or the website. For those unfamiliar, here's a brief guide on using OneDrive for file backup. Part 1. Backup files to OneDrive on Windows or Mac computer. There are two options for users to back up data to OneDrive on computer with OneDrive program or website. 1. Transfer files to OneDrive with the program. Step 1. Download OneDrive on your computer. Step 2. Move contents to OneDrive folder. Drag and drop. Just drag and drop the wanted files to the cloud. By using this way, you need to move the files one by one. Real-time copy. Put the sync option of the OneDrive on to let it store the files to cloud instantly. Save via Office. If you have a dedicated directory on your system, you can click on Save As option and choose to save it to OneDrive to save your files from Microsoft Office to the drive directly. 2. Sync files to OneDrive with OneDrive website. Step 1. Log into the website. Just go to the OneDrive website to log into OneDrive by using the credentials of your Microsoft or Live account. After that, you're able to access the files that you have already saved. Step 2. Manually upload files to cloud. Click on Upload button on the toolbar and then choose to upload an entire folder or the selected files as you like. After that, a new browser will be open, which can be used to elect the files you wish to back up with OneDrive. Part 2. How to back up files to OneDrive on Android, iPhone, and Windows Phone directly. Step 1. Download and install the application on your device. Download and install the OneDrive application Android or iPhone or Windows on your mobile phone and launch it. Step 2. Upload data to OneDrive. To add new files on OneDrive, you need to tap on the options at the top and then you will receive different options. Click on the Add Items button to back up files from your device to OneDrive. If the files you move are specific, a message will pop up to prompt you. Just click OK button to continue.